Now बच्चे we are going to start chapter number 7 double entry system. Chapter number 7 double entry system. Now what is the meaning of double entry system? Every transaction involving money or money's worth has a twofold aspect. Means every transaction involving money or money's worth has a twofold aspect. The receiving of a value on the one hand and the giving of the value on the other hand. For example, if you have purchased furniture for cash, if you have purchased furniture for cash, what will happen? Furniture will increase and cash will reduce. Two aspects means two effects. Every transaction is having two effects. If one thing is coming to you, another thing must be going out. This is exchange system, no? If we are purchasing furniture for cash, furniture will be increased and cash will be reduced. If we have purchased furniture on credit, it will increase the furniture as well as it will increase your liability also. So each and every transaction is having two aspects, means double effect it is having two aspects. Double entry system, it is called double entry. Double entry system is the most progressive, scientific and complete system of recording of financial transactions of the business. In this we are recording the complete transaction. The rules of recording transactions under this system are so definite and clearly stated that the system is being used extensively by all the countries. Whatever you are reading today, beta, it is followed in all the countries in the same manner. According to this system, there are two accounts involved in every transaction. One of them is debited and another one is credited. Under this system, the accuracy of the accounts can be checked by preparing a trial balance. In this type of system, there is always double entry of every transaction. One account, if one account will be debited, another must be credited. There are two aspects of a single transaction. One account will be debited and another account will be credited. Now a very important thing I am going to tell you. A book on double entry system was first of all written in 1494 by Sir Luca Pacioli. By Sir Luca Pacioli in 1494. He was a resident of city of Venice in Italy. In this book, he discussed the method of recording both the aspects of the transaction. The book became very popular in a very short period of time, and afterwards the book was translated into English by Sir Hugh Oldcastle. Hugh Oldcastle in the year 1544. So who is the father of double entry system? Sir Luca Pacioli. He have written his book in 1494 and later it was translated to English in 1544 by Sir Hugh Oldcastle. Later on, many changes were incorporated in the system and finally a complete book named as English System of Bookkeeping was written on this system by Edward Jones, by Sir Edward Jones in the year 1785. In the year 1785 it was given a final shape. It was in this book that the old system was completely revised and the use of purchase book, sale book and the presentation of the trial balance was discussed first of all. Due to its peculiarities, this system has been adopted by all the progressive countries all over the world. So on this system, Sir Luca Pacioli wrote the first book in 1494. He was the resident of Italy and later on it was converted into English in the year 1544 by Sir Hugh Oldcastle, and lastly Sir Edward Jones have written the final new revised version of this book in the year 1785. So these are the fathers of the accounting system which we are studying these days: Sir Luca Pacioli, Sir Hugh Oldcastle and Sir Edward Jones. Now comes the meaning of double entry system. What is the meaning of double entry system? Meaning of double entry system: according to this system, every business transaction affects at least two accounts in opposite directions. For example, if the furniture is purchased in the business, furniture is increased whereas cash will be reduced. This is the double entry system, in which all the transactions have at least two aspects and two recordings, two accounts in opposite direction. There can be no transaction in the business which affects only one account or which has only one aspect. As such, both the aspects of every transaction are recorded under this system. So this is a very important system, and the double entry system seeks to record every transaction in money or money's worth in its double aspects. We record everything in double aspects. So every business transaction has twofold effects. Every business transaction have twofold effects, and we have to record both the aspects of the entry. Now comes the principle or characteristics of double entry system. This was the introduction of double entry system. Every business transaction involving money or money's worth has twofold aspects, means the receiving of one value on the one hand and the other value will be reduced. Like purchased furniture for cash, furniture will be increased and cash will be reduced. There are two aspects, one will be debited and another will be credited. So these were the fathers of this accounting system which we are studying, and it is this accounting system is prevailing in all the progressive countries all over the world. So have a look on characteristics or principles of double entry system now. Principles of double entry system. Make notes of proper theory chapters, बच्चे. These are called principles as well as characteristics. Principles or characteristics of double entry system. Principles or characteristics of double entry system. There are four main principles. Number one, every business transaction affects two accounts. Every business transaction affects two accounts. Second is recording of both personal and impersonal aspects. Recording of both personal and impersonal aspects. Third one is recording is made according to certain specified rules. Recording is made according to some specified rules. Fourth and last one, preparation of trial balance. Preparation of trial balance.